Affiliate marketing is not dead, it's just overcrowded in the wrong places. Let's dive into 5 affiliate niches that are actually paying in 2025, complete with proof, products, and real demand. First up, we have AI tools and automation. Everyone's buzzing about ChatGPT, Pictory, Jasper, and other AI software, and guess what? Most of these platforms have referral programs that offer commissions ranging from 20% to 50%. If your content revolves around side hustles, productivity, or digital tools, this niche is pure gold. Imagine promoting tools that not only help your audience, but also earn you substantial recurring income. Next, let's talk about financial tools, specifically budgeting and credit apps. Platforms like Rocket Money and Credit Karma are booming right now. Finance influencers are raking in $300 to $600 a week just by promoting free sign-up tools. PartnerStack and Impact have a plethora of fintech products ready for you to promote. This niche is not just lucrative, it's essential for anyone looking to manage their finances better. Moving on to online courses and creator platforms. Think about tools like Kajabi, Podia, StanStore, and Gumroad. These platforms pay well and are incredibly popular among coaches, creators, and side hustlers. You can easily position your affiliate links in a Tools I Use section of your digital products, TikTok bio, or blog posts. This way, you're not just promoting, you're providing value to your audience. Next, we have digital templates and resources. This niche is all about promoting bundles of Notion templates, resume kits, or even Canva packs. Many template sellers offer affiliate links, and the beauty of digital resources is that they're low cost, high conversion, and evergreen. You're helping your audience save time and effort while earning commissions on the side. Lastly, let's explore the Amazon influencer and creator tools niche. From microphones to lighting and desk gear, these tools are easy to recommend, especially if you're showcasing your setup. While Amazon's affiliate program may not have the highest payouts, it's a trusted platform that converts quickly. People are already shopping on Amazon, making it a seamless way to earn affiliate income. If you're struggling with affiliate marketing, it's likely because you're chasing after crowded products. Instead, focus on these niches where people are already spending money and where creators genuinely need tools. By aligning your promotions with real demand, you'll find success in affiliate marketing.